Hey guys, I want to give you a quick overview of your Module 5 so you'll understand what's expected of you this week. First of all, when you go into it, actually let me make this a little bigger. Okay, it's just like it usually is. Couple things for you to make sure that you review. You have a, a lesson that's called a free body diagram review and practice. It is an interactive lesson that helps you learn how to draw vector diagrams. And when you go into it, it's going to ask you um, to click on a link for each of the examples. And that'll take you out into another interactive lesson where it'll take you step by step and show you how to draw different diagrams. It'll talk about the normal force. It'll talk about how the normal force is, what it is, and how it changes under different circumstances, like on an inclined plane or on a flat surface, or if you're climbing up a mountain or something, and that type of thing. And so it'll talk about different types of free body diagrams. The other thing that you will want to review is the free body diagram video in the discussion that also goes over basic free body diagrams, because in your homework you will be asked to draw free body or vector diagrams. So you want to make sure that you understand how to draw those diagrams. The videos in this section, those resources, especially the physics classroom, and those are very good, and you can do a search on Khan Academy for Newton's laws, and Khan Academy is also a very good resource, but Physics Classroom is even better because it breaks it down for you. So I would definitely go through and look at the extra resources this time before attempting my homework. So you do have a homework worksheet, and it has 9 problems on it, and you are responsible for completing every problem, showing all your work and showing all your diagrams. You are separated into your groups this week in discussions, and I just wanted to clarify that in order to do that, you're going to go into the group page, you're going to find your group, and then in your group, you're going to click on the discussion board for that group, and you're going to scroll down and find the Module 5 forum, and your group has been assigned 2 problems. So on that very first page, my group 5 was assigned number 5 and number 1, and so you're going to go in here, and each of you will post your solution to number 5 and number 1, and then you will compare your answers to each other to see if you're getting the same answers. And I'm expecting the same thing as usual, that you post by an initial due date, and that you reply to 2 of your group mates on 2 different days, so that you have a total of 3 posts. So I posted the rubric for that as well, so that you and we'll be using the rubric that I use for that type of discussion. You also have 2 labs this week. So there is a video that talks to you about how to do each lab. So you want to make sure that you watch those videos and that you email me and ask me any questions about those videos. So you have Lab 4 Part 1 and Lab 4 Part 2. You want to make sure that you do both of them. So this is kind of a very intense module, and you want to make sure that you get on top of it right away. So I would go ahead and start tackling that homework first this week, and then next week tackle the labs. I would make sure that I utilize the office hours if you need them on Friday. I am not working on Friday, but I will be in office hours on Friday from 9 to 10. So please contact me if you need me, and we can set up individual office hours if you need that as well. Good luck and have a wonderful week.